This is the story of how Vezo changed my life. 5:02 a.m., I wake up to get ready for work. Tailored shirt, timeless, classic. Coffee. A gift from my lover. Vezo 360 Smart Dashcam. Beautiful design, intelligent features, a refined innovation for car security. 6:13 a.m., I head out to install my Vezo 360. The specially designed mount supports all types of cars, and the strong magnetic attachment makes it effortless to install. My new life with Vezo begins now. Oh no. It was clearly this idiot's fault, and I can prove it. Vezo's 360 camera system captures all around my car without any blind spots. Using the dedicated app, I can wirelessly transfer videos to my phone, and the 4K HD video shows everything in crystal clear detail. It's an open and shut case. 1:26 p.m. I believe in working hard in order to... Someone just hit my parked car, and she just drove away. A classic hit and run. But Vezo automatically detects accidents even when my car is off, and the low-power sensors do not drain the car's battery. With its 4G capability, I'm notified immediately by receiving a video clip to my phone. I've got all the proof I need for an insurance claim. 6:21 p.m. It's been a long day and I feel quite sleepy. Thankfully, Vezo's sleep detection feature uses facial recognition to alert a drowsy driver. That was close. Vezo, you saved my life. 11:16 p.m. I'm finally back home. As a crime deterrent, Vezo's bright LED light remains on at all times. This lets others know that Vezo is watching. Looks like I'm in safe hands. 9:46 a.m. I go on a road trip with my best friends. Why don't I capture this spontaneous moment? With just a single press of a button, I can take a selfie in the car as well as the outside landscape, all in one seamless 360 image or video. With the dedicated internal battery, I can even take Vezo outside to use it just like a regular 360 camera. An unforgettable memory captured in a gorgeous 360-degree image. And I can quickly share my photos and videos to social media directly from the Vezo app. My life is now fully protected, all thanks to my Vezo 360 Smart Dashcam. Thank you, Vezo.
Introducing Mouzen. Mouzen is an innovative armrest designed to optimize the position of your wrist and reduce pain while working with your mouse and keyboard. Mouzen takes 6 seconds to install, and it's so beautiful, you'll never want to take it off. With its ErgoFlow mechanism, Mouzen allows you to move freely and comfortably, supporting your arm in a natural state and forcing you to maintain an upright posture. Did you know that an average user makes up to 7,000 mouse clicks every day? But not all repetitions are good. Maintaining your wrist in an unnatural position can be associated with repetitive strain injuries, tendinitis, and potential risk of the carpal tunnel syndrome. We've designed a concept that keeps your arm in a natural position to relieve wrist tension and shoulder pain. Mouzen is a result of more than 1,000 hours of development and countless reiterations, giving birth to a groundbreaking ErgoFlow mechanism that supports your arm and allows it to move freely in all directions. Dear Kickstarter community, with a working prototype, Mouzen is now ready to hit the production line. Pledge to our project today, build a more ergonomic workstation, and create a healthier and more productive future for yourself or your employees. Ergonomics designed. Mouzen.
I've always had a sincere appreciation for the ocean, so when insulated water bottles emerged to the market, I was honestly stoked. It was a small way to give back and protect the thing that practically raised me. However, after a few months of using my water bottle, I began to notice this odor, and no matter how many times I washed it, I couldn't get rid of this smell, and being somewhat of a germaphobe, I wanted to know why. So I teamed up with some scientists and engineers at my university, and I discovered that the average water bottle has more growing bacteria colonies than your average dog toy. All of this led me to develop Luma. Luma is an insulated water bottle that uses digital UVC light to kill 99% of bacteria in your water and in your bottle. So this means no more nasty after smell and great tasting water no matter where you are. Our UVC light rests in the bottom portion of the bottle, so by always being in contact with your water, the UVC light is able to kill bacteria more effectively, so you can always be confident that your water and bottle are being kept clean. Using the Luma bottle is easy. You just fill it up and press the button, and in 60 seconds you will have a clean bottle and fresh water. Plus, Luma bottle's battery is rechargeable and lasts up to 2 months on a single charge. With functioning prototypes and manufacturing ready to go, we need funding to put this bottle into production so we can distribute it to you. Help us make Luma bottle a reality so that we can make clean water available to everyone while continuing to protect the earth.
This is okay, we'll give him a second. Alright, you ready? Alright, this is Jamie. And like most people, he starts his day off with the shower. Jamie's showers have been pretty special lately, and that all has to do with this guy, the Orijin Sponge. The Orijin... The Orijin Sponge is 100% natural, antimicrobial, and infused with bamboo charcoal. There's not a single pinch of plastic in its creation, making bacteria and other nasty musty smells in your sponge a thing of the past. Speaking of past, it wasn't always like this for Jamie. Jamie used to shower with the most widely used sponge in the market today, the popular Loofah Puff. Not only do loofah puffs and other sponges made from plastic take over 100 years to fully decompose, they don't absorb water, are harsh on the skin, and are a wild playground for smells and bacterial growth. Jamie was pretty much sudsing up with the glorified plastic bag. But we'll leave the past in the past. Made from konjac plant root, the Orijin Sponge is 100% natural and fully biodegradable. Because our sponge is infused with bamboo charcoal, it's antimicrobial, helping prevent the growth of bacteria and those nasty, musty odors from developing at all. Its unique design helps move water from across its surface while gently exfoliating all skin types, helping remove dry, dead skin. Its ergonomic design feels natural in your hands and all up on your body. So, we invite you to try it out for yourself. Feel the difference of what could very well be the only sponge you'll want to rub your body with again. The Orijin Sponge by Orijin Design Company.
Imagine riding a bicycle while standing up, in a more natural and relaxed upright position. Now imagine controlling it not only with your hands and handlebar, but with your whole body, bridging the gap between man, machine, and dance. Now relax, free your mind, forget everything you know about bikes and prepare for a completely new experience. This is our sweet escape from the hectic everyday life. Our reverse button, back to basics, back to nature, back to our true selves. What's yours?